Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel Digital Schooling under the management of Teacher Facilitation Program. Today, today our topic is Qalb or plural is Iqlaab in Tajweed. Okay, now we will start our lesson with dua. रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली वजअल ली वज़ीरम मिन अहली रब्बि यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैरि वबिका नस्तईन या फ़त्ताह या फ़त्ताह या फ़त्ताह. First of all, we try to understand what is iqlab. Okay, the definition of iqlab or qalb is if after a noon saakin or tanween appears a ba, then the noon saakin or tanween will be changed into a silent meem, and it will be read with a light nasal sound, and it will be shown over ba. We can see here it will be shown over ba. Okay. Meem. First of all, I will read you. Then you will say after me. Okay. Meem, noon, meem. Okay. Meem, noon, meem. So, noon saakin will be silent, and meem, a short meem, we can see here over ba, there is a here is a short meem. Okay, the short meem will be pronounced. Okay, and noon saakin will be silent. Okay. Meem, noon, meem, zer, mim. Not min, mim. This is called iqlab. Mim, ba, ain zabar, ba, dal, zer, di, ba'di, mim, ba'di. Next is ba, lam, zer, bil, jim, noon, ba, jim, noon, jam. Okay, jim, noon, not jan. We will not say jan, jim, noon, zabar, jan. We will say, we will silent jazam, and we will join with meem. Jim will be joined with meem. Jam. Okay, jam, not jan. Jam. Bazir bi. Bil jambi. Bil jambi. We will stay for a short while on meem, and then we will say ba. Bil jambi. Next is meem, noon, meem, zer, mim. Okay, mim. Uh, noon, noon saakin will silent, and meem will join with meem, short meem. Okay, meem, noon, meem, zer, mim, not min. Meem, noon, meem, zer, mim. Baya zabar bay, noon, zeni, mim, bayni. Hamza, noon, meem, zabar not an. Bata zabar bat, noon alif zabar na, bat na. Hamza, noon, meem, zabar not an. Okay, an will be silent, and will be pronounced. Bazir bi, ya alif mad zabar ya, hamza zabar a. Ambiya. Next is mam, bakhila, layum bazanna, layum bazanna, layum bazanna, zambi. Okay, not zanbi, zambi. Okay. لنسفعا بالناصية لنسفعا بالناصية خبير بما تعملون خبير بما تعملون أبدا بما not abadan it will be pronounced dal meem do zabar dam tanween will be the sound of tanween will be removed like noon silent uh, abadam bima alimum bihi alimum bihi and double dhamma will be changed into one dhamma one dhamma is pronounced meem meem ba pesh Meem ba pesh mum, not mun. Okay, tanween will be removed here. Sound of tanween will be removed here, and meem pesh mum. One dhamma is pronounced. Okay, here. Alimum bihi sawa'im bainana sawa'im bainana one kasra, one tanween will be removed, and one kasra will be pronounced with meem, short meem. Okay. Sawa'im bainana. Okay. Now this is your today lesson from min ba'di to sawa'im bainana. And now your homework is to repeat it again and again to keep in your mind and send your audio in comment box. I love to read your uh, audio in comment box. Now we will end this lesson with dua. سبحان ربك رب العزة أما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Allah Hafiz. If you feel this lesson helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel to motivate me or to get more videos about this tajweed. Okay, Allah Hafiz.